खरेंच गोंयांतले राजकीय पक्ष वन नेशन वन पोल जाल्यार असेंब्ली इलेक्शना खातीर सज्ज आसात काय कितें?
These issues like one nation, one election and many other peripheral issues that the BJP is bringing before the people is a distraction.
There would be some states who will have to curtail their period. There will be some states which may have to extend by some.
We follow the federal system and खूपशे स्टेट्सनी we are having regional forces.
People vote differently for a assembly candidate and vote differently. So हे whole regional partisang किंवा smaller playersank मारपाचो जो प्रयत्न म्हणटा is absolutely false.
You will never put your फक्त गांधी झाले की झोपले
Supreme
तुमचे.
national interest today
No,
that
you
we have
have
lost
you have sold
95,000
your
square kilometers of land.
sold your soul
to
and
China.
party to China.